Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Aries Placement. So, this is your end of the month love reading. Okay, so check natin ang energy ni person mo. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, so yeah. Let's start your reading, Aries placements. Yeah, you can check. Okay. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Kung meron kayong Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus, na under ng Aries, yes, pwede yan. Okay? So, let's see. What's your person's energy? Okay, ano bang meron sa person mo? Okay, who's the person on Aries' mind? The person. Okay, the Page of Wands. Someone younger. Or may pagka-immaturity, no? Always wanting to get, attention, mga ganyan. Page of Wands. Pwedeng fire sign like you. And the Eight of Pentacles. Okay. Some of them, ito specific po ha, umpisa lang niya sa work. Okay? Napaka-specific nun. Hindi lahat. Okay? So, meron siyang, sabihin natin, kakaumpisa lang niya sa work or meron siyang mga inuumpisahan sa ngayon. Okay? I don't know kung iba sa inyo is pinupursue ka nito ngayon. Or, yeah, gumagawa siya ng maybe action or, yeah. Let's see. What else? Okay. So, I think, ito rin is specific. So, pwedeng itong taong ito is gumagawa ng action towards you pero dinededma mo. Okay. So, ano bang meron pagdating sa emotion? Okay. What's their current emotion? Aries. Justice. So, pwedeng Libra. Justice. Why justice? They're being fair. They want to be fair. Gusto nitong magpakatotoo sa'yo, Aries. Dinededma mo siya. Oo. Okay. So, I think, pwedeng hindi mo magawang magtiwala, no? Pwede kasing may doubt ka pagdating sa kanya. Kasi iba sa kanila talagang nakagawa ng hindi tama before. Andyan rin yung sabihin nating younger and may immaturity. Okay? So, emotion, oo nila pagdating sa'yo, they want to be, sabihin nating maybe open. Okay? Justice, gusto nilang magkaroon ng pagkakaayos or kung anong dapat gawin, like tamang gawin. Gusto nila maging patas or maging fair pagdating sa'yo. Ano tong Queen of Swords? The Hermit. Hindi nito pinapakita yung totoong emosyon. Sabihin natin kung siya ay nalulungkot, kung hindi mo siya pinapansin, nalulungkot to. Hindi niya lang pinapahalata. Okay? Hindi niya lang pinapahalata. Talagang hopeful lang itong taong to pagdating sa inyo ngayon. Okay? So, ano ang kanyang next action? Next action ng taong to pagdating sa'yo, Aries? The Ace of Pentacles. Yeah. Gusto nito ng new beginning with you. Some of them, pwedeng gumawa ng offer, like peace offering or something like may bibigay lang talaga or may bibigay sa'yo like appreciation, sign of appreciation maybe. Okay, this is wanting na magkaroon ng new beginning. Again, maybe. Okay? So, ano yung Ace of Pentacles? Yeah, the Nine of Swords. Magkaroon ng pagkakaayos sa inyong dalawa. That's their next action. Yeah. It's like, taking risk or it's like a leap of faith para sa kanila. Opportunity, like that. Okay? Yeah, kasi nagpo-pursue to eh, itong taong to, Aries. Okay? So, yung mga no contact dito, hindi inyo to. Okay? Yeah. Yung no contact, hindi inyo to. Kasi nakakuha ko na itong taong to, nagpo-pursue ngayon. Okay? May communication. So, anong magiging outcome/advice? So, let's see. Tingnan muna natin kung ano ba talaga ang emosyon mo for this person. Okay? So, tingnan muna natin. Ano ba ang emosyon mo for them, Aries? The Ace of Swords. You're not open. Yes. Pagdating din sa communication, no, hindi ka ganun ka-open. So, that is why. Yeah, pinakita naman doon. Oo, sabi ko nga, iba sa inyo, ini-ignore nyo to. Okay? And then, sure. Maybe, yun yung isang dahilan. Like, pwedeng hindi nga naging okay before. So, ngayon, gumagawa siya ng way. Okay? Pero, hindi mo hinahayaan yung sarili mong open na open or transparent pagdating sa kanya. You have doubts or, yeah. Okay, the Ace of Swords in reversed. Why? Yeah, the Five of Pentacles in reversed. The Moon. You're confused. Okay? You're confused. Ayaw mo rin actually makita ng taong to na nagiging needy ka pagdating sa kanya. Sabihin mo, yung totoo, mas nagiging okay ka ba kapag hindi mo siya pinapansin? Or mas nagiging okay ba yung sitwasyon mo kapag hindi mo sila kausap or kakonek? Kaya mas pinipili mo yung silence? Some of you? Or pangi-ignore? Yeah. I think some of you, nandyan yung self-love na sinasabi. Yes. Okay, so let's see kung ano bang magiging outcomes/advice. Outcomes/advice for Aries placements. The King of Pentacles. This is responsibilities. Okay? Why the King of Pentacles? The High Priestess. Okay. So, this is sabihin nating putting boundaries, no? Okay, putting boundaries, having self-respect, mga ganyan. So, I think hindi naman masama yung ginagawa mo if ever na hindi ka nakikipag-communicate clearly sa taong ito. Okay? Kasi this is like respect pagdating sa sarili. Kung ikaw is magiging silent, makikita mo yung totoong sabihin nating ang tawag dyan, intention ng person. Okay? Lalo na kahit gusto mo yung tao. Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin or hindi natin dapat ipakita na gustong-gusto natin siya. Kasi some of the sabihin natin parang pwedeng gawing opportunity, no? Oportunidad, yung mga ganyan or ma-take advantage maybe yung pagiging open mo, parang ganyan. No? So, siguro nga, mas maganda yung ginagawa mo na magkaroon ng border, no? Magkaroon ng boundaries pagdating sa person. Okay? Yeah, the Hierophant. I think this is new. I think this is new. I think this is sabihin natin merong patutunguhang maganda. May patutunguhang maganda to. Some of you may age gap. Okay, may age gap. Pero ipinapakita mo yung value mo sa taong ito. So, nagkakaroon siya ng takot. Okay, nagkakaroon siya ng takot, nagkakaroon siya ng nakikita niya yung worth mo, nakikita niya yung value mo as a person. Okay? So, yeah. This is nice. Hindi sinasabi rito kung talagang past ba to or new. Let's see. Is this a past or a new person? Okay, this is a past person's energy. Yeah. Na nagkaroon ng on and off. Tapos ito pa si Seven of Chalices in reverse. Meaning, pwedeng hindi siya naghahanap or maybe hindi siya makahanap ng tulad mo maybe. So that is why magfo-focus siya sa'yo, mag-e-effort siya sa'yo. Okay, and yun nga, nagkaroon ng on-off kayong dalawa. Pinapakita mo sa taong to na hindi ako available like palagi. Aalisan mo kung gusto mo, babalikan mo kung gusto mo. Mga ganyan. So yes, pagbibigay ng takot, no, pagdating sa taong to is magandang way para maipakita na kailangan mo din ng respeto. No? Okay, so that's nice. Okay. Very good. Oh. Okay. So, tayo ito muna sa all signs. Aries through Pisces. Okay. Aries. So, misunderstandings or sabihin nating no cooperation with this Aries. Some of you may third party dito involved. Yung iba rito pwedeng ka-workmate mo. Okay? Taurus, they're being mysterious, they're confused. Okay? Some of you, mini-mirror ka ni Taurus. Gemini, they're moving forward. They're making an action. Gemini, they're wanting to reconcile. Oh, no. A Cancer, they're wanting to reconcile. Okay? Some of you, pwede may ma-friend zone. Okay? Sa Cancerian na to. With this Cancerian. Leo, they miss you. Virgo, they want to commit. They want relationship, like long-term relationship. Libra, they're not ready. Yeah, they're not ready pagdating sa'yo. Scorpio, being honest, being truthful, like being clear. Okay? Sagittarius, they're waiting patiently. Capricorns, they need you. They're being needy pagdating sa'yo. Aquarius, so pwedeng may pagmamadali, no, with this Aqua. Na pwedeng pagsisihan kung ano man ang nangyari with this Aquarius. So Pisces, they're being silent, detached, and cold. Okay, so there, yun ang ating reading for Aries placements. Again, yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.